Alright, we are in for a desk upgrade. As you can see, it's a bit small, about 4 foot wide. It was just the previous desktop on my previous desk. Before I upgraded to the standing desk, you can see all my cords are falling down, but we've got a solution for that today as well. So, you might not see a ton of the process of this, but you should see some of the aftermath. So there you have it. Much longer desk. Now, there's obviously some cable management issues going on back there still. A lot of the cords aren't long enough to reach all the way over there. But, I mean, looking pretty good. Obviously there's some trash that needs taken out too. A few things that kind of stink about this setup still. The arms are just barely enough. Like, I had to jack the seat up to the point where it's a little bit uncomfortable. This doesn't go down any further. I think I addressed that in the other video, though, that a business edition of the autonomous standing desk would go lower. But it does the job. I thought about trying to hack it up and cut a little bit off the legs, but that is probably going to be a attempt at something that's not going to work well. So, cut your losses. Anyways, just want to give you guys a little bit of an update on the station of myself. And let's see, there hopefully a monitor upgrade coming in the next few months. So I'm sure I will put that on the channel as well. Until next time.